Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just a car. It's a statement. What you're looking at here is the 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, a bold reinterpretation of one of America's most iconic luxury sedans. Cadillac has taken a legendary nameplate and reimagined it for the modern era, blending timeless presence with contemporary technology and craftsmanship. Based on the images in front of us, this new Fleetwood Brougham isn't chasing trends, it's defining its own lane. Let's break it down, starting from the front. From the front, the 2026 Fleetwood Brougham is all about authority. The massive, upright grille immediately commands attention, finished in deep chrome and framed by sharp, rectangular LED headlamps that echo classic Cadillac design while clearly embracing modern lighting technology. The horizontal LED signature gives the car a confident, almost presidential stare. The long hood, subtle hood ornament, and wide stance reinforce the Fleetwood's traditional proportions. This is not a sporty luxury sedan trying to look aggressive. Instead, it's calm, confident, and unapologetically large, exactly how a Fleetwood should be. Moving to the side, the silhouette tells the full story. This is a long-wheelbase luxury sedan, and Cadillac isn't hiding it. The extended body, long rear doors, and formal roofline instantly recall classic Fleetwood Broughams of the past. Chrome window surrounds, polished door handles, and understated character lines maintain elegance without visual clutter. The wheels strike a perfect balance. Modern multi-spoke alloys with a classic diameter, filling the arches without compromising ride comfort. The subtle red pinstripe running along the body adds a refined touch, reinforcing the car's heritage-inspired luxury character. At the rear, Cadillac leans heavily into nostalgia, done right. The vertical LED taillights remain a Fleetwood signature, now fully modernized with crisp illumination and a full-width horizontal light bar connecting both sides. The Fleetwood Brougham badging sits proudly, confirming this car's identity without excess branding. The rear bumper features polished chrome accents and dual integrated exhaust outlets, signaling that while this is a luxury sedan, performance hasn't been forgotten. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. The cabin blends old-school Cadillac luxury with modern digital refinement. Premium leather seats, rich wood trim across the dashboard and doors, and ambient lighting create a warm, executive atmosphere rather than a cold, tech-heavy cockpit. A wide digital display integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly, keeping the layout clean and intuitive. Physical controls remain where they matter: climate, drive modes, and comfort settings, because true luxury values usability as much as innovation. This is a space designed for long journeys, quiet cruising, and effortless comfort, especially for rear passengers. While official specifications haven't been fully confirmed, Based on Cadillac's current direction and the Fleetwood's positioning, expectations are clear. The 2026 Fleetwood Brougham is likely powered by a high-output V8 or advanced twin-turbo V6, possibly paired with mild hybrid assistance for smoother delivery and improved efficiency. Power is expected to be sent to the rear wheels or an advanced all-wheel drive system, prioritizing smoothness and stability over outright sportiness. This car isn't about lap times, it's about effortless torque, silent cruising, and supreme ride comfort. As a full-size flagship luxury sedan, pricing is expected to start north of $90,000, depending on trim and customization options, with fully loaded versions easily crossing into six-figure territory. The official launch is expected late 2025 to early 2026, positioning the Fleetwood Brougham as Cadillac's answer to ultra-luxury sedans from Europe, while staying unapologetically American. The 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham isn't trying to compete with sporty luxury sedans or minimalist EVs. Instead, it revives something rare in today's market: presence, comfort, and dignity on wheels. If this design makes it to production close to what we're seeing here, Cadillac may have just brought back one of the most authentic luxury sedans of the modern era. Let me know, would you choose the new Fleetwood Brougham over European luxury rivals? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iconic automotive returns.